They are screaming because of hummingbirdies.
It's gone.
See, a little harmful creature.
Yes, it really is. Ow.
Oh, because they're putting manure out on Tom's grass.
Let's do it again.
Shelby, your hair's all frizzy.
Thank you. That's cool, doesn't it?
No, not really.
Ready?
Whoa!
Let's do it again.
See, whenever they see a little creature, they scream. Yes.
Hey, turn around.
Let's turn it back around and see what they're doing now.
Around the rosy.
Oh my God! Now it looks like Zach's hurting his neck.
I hear it.
And if they see a hummingbird, Zach screams and goes, "Run!" Okay, I'm turning back now.
Let's try it again. Okay, do that. Ring around.
Watch Zach on this one. Shelby, he's saying there it is. And yes, that is Zach screaming. He screams like a girl. He screams like a girl.
Let's jump. No. Not that kind of jump, like Zachary jump. No.